What's up, Drinkstuff fans? I am Steve the barman. In today's video, I'm going to give you inspiration about how to fill your favourite punch bowls. Now, I'm going to use this. Let's just quickly talk about this punch bowl. This is obviously from Drinkstuff, about £35. This is awesome. I absolutely love this kind of classic style punch bowl. Proper heavy duty as well. 27 pieces, I think that is. So you've got a lovely little base. The punch bowl sits on there. You get the little ladle that goes with it. And then you get 12. I've only brought 4 back from the showroom back to my studio, but you get 12 little punch glasses with the little hooks, and they just sit around the edge there. And I think this is an absolute bargain for 35 quid. So this is, can we see that camera? Yeah, we can see that. This, as I say, about 35 quid. It holds roughly 4.4 litres, which for your punches, when you're going to fill it, is roughly, by the time you put ice and fruit and garnish and all that sort of stuff in it as well, you're looking at about just under 3 litres. So if you say sort of 300ml per drink, these things are probably even less, about 150ml. You'll probably get close to 20, if not more, little cocktails out of this punch bowl. So I think it's an absolute bargain. So for today's recipe, I'm going to give you kind of my winter festive kind of sangria. I've rocked this out for years. Absolutely love this recipe. Really, really easy. The recipe will be below in the description, so go and check it out. And I'll also do break it down for you. So if you want to make one single cocktail, you can. So both recipes that will be in the description below. So go and check it out. Right, first ingredient, winter sangria. We're obviously going for a decent red wine. This is just, I forget what this is. I think this is South African, isn't it? I forget, South African. I've just got a Shiraz, which is kind of like Shiraz. So a bottle, 750ml. Get that all in there. So we've got a nice bit of red wine. Your favourite red wine, whether it's a Merlot, whatever, that'll do. The next ingredient, we're going for some brandy. Brandy at Christmas. Doesn't matter too much. If you want it to taste absolutely amazing, get better brandy. If you want it to be kind of just, you know, if it's just fun, get a decent supermarket owned brandy. Even Spanish brandy is brilliant for kind of cocktails. It really is, especially that. You want a bottle of that. So we're going 750ml of red wine. I'm going 700ml of brandy. Now I'm going to drink this. I'm going to bottle it up in the fridge. I'm going to drink this. So we've got a bottle of brandy going in there. Right, now I kind of want to make this a bit fun and fruity. So, ready to go. I've got some apple liqueur. This is just Giffard apple liqueur. You could get sours, green apple, the apple sours from supermarkets. That's cool. It's about 7 or 8 quid. You want about 250ml. I know that's slightly more, but about 250ml of apple liqueur in there. Go on, in we go. So we've got red wine, apple brandy. We know that works. So we've got that. I want some raspberry liqueur, some Framboise. Let's just pop that. Can we see that on a close up there? Whatever raspberry liqueur, bowl, Chambord, whatever you've got. Again, about 250ml of raspberry liqueur. It's a great way to finish up little odds and sods of bottles as well. And then I want some orange juice. Now, as it's festive, this time of year, I just go, again, I'm not sure if I get that on the close-up. Let's put it there. Can we see that there? This is just Tesco's own clementine juice. I love clementine juice this time of year. And you just want about 500ml, so half a litre of sort of orange juice, clementine juice, wherever you're going. I think Marks and Spencer's in the UK, you'll get some posh kind of tangerine juice, maybe, stuff like that. So that'll work. Then final 2 ingredients I'm going for. I've got just about here, and I've forgotten how much of this I want. I want 250ml. That's about right. It's slightly less in there of cinnamon. Let's hold that there for the close up if we can. Of cinnamon sugar syrup. Kind of like this. And then I want again about not too much of this actually, about 100ml of ginger syrup. You can get ginger cordials from supermarkets as well. This is just the last bit of dregs of this one. I might cut and edit this one because this will be quite slow. Right, finished up the last bottle, nearly there for this one. It's really slow this ginger. coming out of there. So I've done 50ml already. Here's the second 50ml. There we go. So we've got 100ml of ginger. That's your punch bowl. That's your cocktail done. Then to garnish, I've pre-done some of these. Again, get these on the close-up. Can we see that down there? Just kind of orange, sliced orange, studded with cloves. Just going to put them in there. This would really be really good to prep in advance. And I've also got little bits of grapefruit. Whack some grapefruit in there. There we go. And then if you want to, just some berries, you know, because there's raspberry in there. Whatever you fancy. It's a little punch bowl. Ice it up. Or if you want to chill it down, put it in. If you've got a fridge big enough, stick it in your fridge. You know, just whack some ice in there. And there you go. That is my kind of festive punch. Normally I would make this up about a couple of hours before I needed it. Because you kind of want the, you know, you kind of want the orange, the cloves in there just to come through. You could use a clove syrup if you can, or make one up yourself. But there we go. That is my festive punch. This is how good it is to pour. Look at that. Lovely jubbly. As I say, recipes in the description below. Go and check it out. Cheers.